The Nothing Phone 3 is creating a buzz in the tech world, building on the success of its predecessors. Let's dive into what the Nothing Phone 3 leaks and rumors suggest about this highly anticipated device. Recent updates in Nothing OS 3.0, Open Beta 2, for the Phone 2 have given users a taste of what's to come. Features like shared widgets for seamless device integration and an AI-powered smart drawer for effortless app organization set the stage for advanced software capabilities. Other refinements, including smoother animations, enhanced camera HDR algorithms, and brighter Ultra HDR mode images, show Nothing's dedication to polishing the user experience. Gaming enthusiasts will enjoy support for up to 90 frames per second in PUBG, while multitaskers will appreciate new pop-up view guides. These updates hint at a powerful and refined ecosystem for the Nothing Phone 3. It is expected to feature the cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 processor, a significant leap from the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in the Phone 2. This upgrade promises faster speeds and better AI capabilities, raising the bar for performance in the series. Rumors point to a 6.5-inch display, striking a perfect balance between the compact Phone 1 and the Phone 2, catering to users who want a slightly larger screen. For those seeking an even bigger option, a Pro model with a 6.7-inch display and the advanced MediaTek Dimensity 9400 processor is rumored to deliver top-tier performance and energy efficiency. Battery life is also set for an upgrade, with leaks suggesting a 4,900 mAh to 5,000 mAh battery, improving the Phone 2's 4,700 mAh capacity. Faster charging speeds are expected, ensuring minimal downtime. On the camera front, Nothing is rumored to include Sony's latest Litia sensors, promising exceptional image quality, especially in low-light conditions. This would surpass the Sony IMX890 sensors used in the Phone 2. Nothing's iconic transparent design with glyph lighting is expected to return, but with added enhancements. Leaks suggest customizable lighting patterns and the inclusion of an action button, similar to the iPhone 16. Software-wise, the Phone 3 will likely debut with Android 14 and a refined Nothing OS 3.0, incorporating deeper AI integration for smarter, more intuitive user interactions. This evolution builds on the AI capabilities introduced in the Phone 2, offering a more seamless experience. It is rumored to launch in July 2025, aligning with previous release timelines. The standard model is expected to start at $599, with the Pro variant priced around $699. Are these rumored features enough to make it a standout? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends.